Hi there, my name is Irvin, and I'm here today to help you understand why domain registration and web hosting are two different processes and how UltaHost can make this process simpler. I'm sure you have plenty of questions, so let's get started. Understanding the difference between domain registration and web hosting. If you're involved in web development or the creation of a website, it's important to understand the difference between domain registration and web hosting. To put it simply, domain registration refers to the process of acquiring a domain name, while web hosting refers to the storage space on a server where your website files are stored. A domain name is the unique address that people use to access your website. For example, if you own a web hosting company called UltaHost, your domain name could be ultahost.com. Domain names are registered through a domain registrar, who administers domain names and manages the domain name system. Registering a domain name typically involves a yearly fee and requires the submission of personal, business, or organizational information. On the other hand, web hosting refers to the physical space on a server where your website files reside. It involves renting server space from a hosting provider who provides the server and the necessary software and hardware to store your website files. When someone types in your domain name, the web hosting server retrieves the website files and displays them to the user. Web hosting companies like UltaHost offer a range of hosting options depending on the size and complexity of your website. Shared hosting is the most popular option, where multiple websites are hosted on a single server. This is a cost-effective solution for small websites, but can sometimes result in slower load times and limited resources. Dedicated hosting, on the other hand, involves renting an entire server for your website and allows for greater control and flexibility. However, this option is more expensive and requires more technical knowledge to manage. In conclusion, while domain registration and web hosting are separate services, they are both essential components of website ownership. Domain registration ensures that your website has a unique and recognizable name, while web hosting provides the physical space to store and display your website files. Understanding the differences between domain registration and web hosting can help you make informed decisions about your website and ensure that it runs smoothly and effectively. Head to ultahost.com to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and helpful content like this.